Hey folks, Adam here. We are going to do a complete car diagnostic. We're going to reset any lights that we need to, and we're going to do that without getting our fingernails dirty, without getting our clothes dirty, and without breaking a sweat. That's thanks to this product right here from Innova. It's the 7111, and this does OBD2 diagnostics, OEM diagnostics. It has workshop tools, bi-directional active tests, special functions, as a secure gateway for unlock, and it'll run some diagnostic reports. Also, something very cool is this will show you how to fix the problems you have, and it's going to do it easily and efficiently. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So folks, I love that this works literally with thousands of cars. You can see we connected it through the data port below our drive column, and look at this. It automatically knows this is a 2023 Toyota RAV4 hybrid. It knows the vehicle number. We have the mileage right there, and it's giving us all sorts of information. Misfire monitoring, fuel system monitoring, comprehensive components, EGR, catalyst, evap, oxygen sensors, and a whole lot more. Now folks, if you think about the value of this, if you go to the dealership and they say something is wrong with your vehicle, well, now you can go ahead and you can kind of check it for yourself to make sure you're not being snowed. You can go into the dealership or your personal mechanic knowing what is potentially wrong with your vehicle before you have somebody fix it, or if you know what's wrong with it, maybe you can fix it yourself. Now folks, there's a lot that this can do. You just saw the OBD2 diagnostics, and now here's the OEM diagnostics. We're seeing everything we need to know, from the back door to the blind spot monitoring to the air conditioning, the brake booster, everything about this we're able to check and learn all about. Now at a push of a button, I've asked it to scan all systems. So it's going through one by one: radar cruise, EMPS, front recognition camera, lane control, air conditioners, and it is checking each one to see if there's any issues in my vehicle. It's literally doing hundreds of tests where I don't have to. And this is a great thing if you just purchased a vehicle, or if you're looking to purchase a vehicle, run these tests before you sign on that dotted line. Now, this is a perfect tool for senior mechanics, and like we'll say again in the video, this is a great tool for shade tree mechanics and even newbies, because this is very easy to understand. In addition, we can do full vehicle inspections, diagnostic reports, customer reports, collision industry reports, and vehicle reports. So we can literally potentially find out if this car has been in a accident, maybe the seller didn't tell us about it. Anything you need to know about this vehicle is literally a click away, and that makes it pretty fantastic. We can look at system voltages, run information on the powertrain, the chassis, the body, all systems, and yeah, how cool is this? And it's a beautiful touch screen that makes it easy to use as well. You can even do custom scans, and look at this, easy to understand and comprehend. Now folks, one of the most helpful items we have here are your workshop tools. Workshop tools can be very helpful. You can reset your oil maintenance, reset the battery, electric brake reset, maintenance reset, all sorts of activities, odometer settings, a bunch of things on here that if you went to a dealership, this could cost you thousands of dollars, and now you can do all of these things yourself, and it'll help you with things like ABS brakes, transmission fluid, key coating, window and roof, injector coating, coolant bleeding, speed limits, and a whole lot more. Now folks, one of my favorite things here, you've got your previous vehicles, you've got your settings, but I love the support feature. Now look at this, it's got a tool library, DLC locator, user manuals, tutorials, demo mode, and technical support. So we've got a lot of fun things here. So if you need a little tutorial, repair info powered by motor, workshop tools, OEM diagnostics, they've got you. If you need some demo mode information, you can run the demo mode here, folks. This is truly fantastic. And folks, unlike a lot of similar tools on the market, we can actually unplug from the car itself, run all our diagnostics, and we can get our work done remotely, say in the garage, where it's a little more convenient to do our research. This is pretty cool. It also tracks information for your previous vehicles. I like the fact that we can get previous vehicles and previous information to start tracking trends and get information on multiple vehicles. So folks, it's really the workshop tools that impress me, whether that's the oil maintenance reset, the maintenance reset, AC system relearn, the battery testing, the clutch relearn, throttle body relearn. There are literally dozens of different things in that workshop, and this has thousands of features. It is very impressive, all rechargeable with USB-C, has an SD card for transferring data, will work from just about anywhere, and will work on thousands and thousands of different vehicles. They've done a great job with this from top to bottom and stem to stern. So folks, if you're looking for one of the most powerful devices on the planet, something that will not let you down, well, guess what? This is the device for you, and it's the device for me. I highly recommend you go pick one up. This is powerful for you and your loved ones, and it makes a great holiday gift idea. Go check it out. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and stick around for the up-close portion of the video if you want to see the product up close and personal. I'm Adam from 911 Studios saying, get to shopping. All right, friends, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video. It's the SDS Pro OE level diagnostic tablet. 7-inch touchscreen with 44 workshop tools. This is a really, really nice product. SDS Performance Level 4 comprehensive diagnostic tool. We can't wait to show it off and kick it off. So, this is designed to help professional technicians optimize their vehicle diagnostics, but it can also work for your shade tree mechanic. It has verified fixes, repair tips, technical bulletins, recalls, and predicted failures. Wow, look at all the information we have back here. Comprehensive reports, save and share comprehensive vehicle reports, including diagnostic, customer, and collision industry, and pre and post scan reports. Tutorials and tips, step-by-step videos to walk you through. That's really cool. So if you're just a novice mechanic, that's going to be a huge selling point. Over here, we've got a spot for an SD card. Very nice. Your charging port, your power button, your 7-inch screen, your front-facing camera, rear camera, dual speakers, durable kickstand, and removable wireless VCI for wireless performance diagnostics. So that's really cool. Okay, so it is powered by Repair Solutions Pro, OBD2 OEM Diagnostics, email diagnostic report, customer support, removable wireless VCI, technical bulletins, tutorials, and interactive user interface. So folks, this is not just pro level, because it is pro level, but it's going to work for you shade tree mechanics to make sure you're not getting ripped off either. Folks, I highly recommend you go pick this up. You will not be disappointed. Next, I'm going to show you the actual case. So for people that want to see how high quality this case is, this is a durable case, and that matters. They don't want something that will get broke or damaged in your workshop, so that's very nice. That will last for years. Opening her up here. Let's see what we have inside. Whoop! Very nice. So you have your quick start guide. Getting started. It says charge. Setting up your tablet with Wi-Fi connection, etc. Volume, brightness level. Check for updates. Create your account. First time experience. Smog check, etc. So very cool there. You can see the device itself. They've gone ahead and, this version, they've gone ahead and put a rubberized coating on it to make sure it's extra safe. You can register your tablet online, and battery requires charging before first use. That's a good tip right there. We'll charge this here in a moment. Peel that off, and you can see that's going to plug right into the diagnostic port. Hello. on your vehicle. And yeah, they've just done a great job giving you everything you need in a durable, reliable, high-quality product from a company you've grown to love. That's USB-C charging. So folks, it's time to go pick this up, the 7111A. High quality, durable, reliable, responsible, and chic. Folks, go pick it up. You will not be disappointed. This is a brand that stands for quality, that is ready to help you out with a beautiful 7-inch screen. Folks, I know you're going to love it. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.